What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Jaden, and I'm officially back to you guys again. Yeah, I'm finally back. I've had my fun month, not focusing on providing signals, but just focusing on my mental growth, really. And yeah, I'm finally back. So first of all, I want to give you guys like a little breakdown video for CADJPY. I took two trades on this pair. So at the moment, for like a little sneak peek, I currently have a $10 account that I'm trying to grow. The moment this is going to reach probably around 500 or maybe 1,000, I'll then show you guys like the whole procedure and all the trades that I took. I'll make it like a whole big video for you guys. So yeah, I'll show you guys a little sneak peek on it. But the thing is, I currently have a $10 account that I'm growing, as I said, and I took these two trades somewhere right around there. So as you guys could see, this is like a deriv server, deriv broker that I currently use. They allow $10 minimum deposits. So that's why I ended up going with this broker. If you want to try them out, I'll leave the link in the description. But as you guys could see, I ended up taking from that $10, right? I ended up taking these two entries, 0.5 and 0.5. Remember, it's a small account, so I'm trying to grow it as fast as possible, not as safe as possible, as fast as possible. So as you guys can see, that this trade, the first trade, right, I ended up taking around $4 profit. But the next trade, I ended up taking a loss of around $6.22, right? And as you guys could see, somewhere right around there, here, as you guys could see that there's a wick somewhere right around here. Hopefully you guys could see it. There's a wick somewhere right around there, on top of that Passover station. That wick is the one that took me out. I ended up jumping late on this trade, but I knew where it was going. So that week ended up taking me out on that $6.22 before it sinks down there. That's why I ended up actually closing somewhere around here, because remember, it's a small account. You don't want to go, like, you don't want to over risk. So I ended up closing somewhere right around there, which was not a good idea. But yeah, on my FTM account, I actually kept the take profit level just where it was. So yeah, then the next trade was this one. Which one? Sorry, which is the trade that I ended up closing somewhere right around here for 54 pips. It was a close to 1:1 risk to reward ratio trade. And why I took it, you guys are going to say, Chris, you told us not to take 1:1 risk to reward ratio trades. Remember, like when you actually know that the trade is going to go your direction, it's not going to be a 1:1 risk to reward trade. Remember, it's going to be like a 1:0, because like the trade is going to go your direction. So don't take 1:1 trades if you don't have the confidence. The confidence to actually do so. Take 1:1 trades when you know that is going to go your direction. You get it? So yeah, these are the two trades that I ended up jumping into, right? And this trade I actually ended up again over risking. So as you guys could see, there was no drawdown on this trade. I ended up opening a 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, then a 0.4 trade. So this one ended up giving me around $12, then $7, then this one also ended up giving me around close to $16. So at the moment, for those two trades, I ended up getting around $42.62. So yeah, as I say to you guys, I don't want to show like the whole account at the moment. I want to like keep on growing it and make it make it more better. In other words, and make it try to make it to 500 without blowing the account, of course, or maybe make it to $1,000. So it depends. If I can make it in the next whole month, then I'll showcase you guys like the whole trades that I took. So it will be like a kind of a long video. So yeah, so now let's just jump straight into like the breakdown, and how some of you guys like could benefit from this breakdown. Okay, wait, before we jump into the breakdown, I almost forgot. Please follow me on Instagram. It's JaidenCharts. This is where you see all my posts that I post, all the trades that I take. I'll usually post them here. So yeah, go follow me. It's JaidenCharts here at JaidenCharts. Then you can please subscribe to the Instagram. Sorry, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're almost there at 25 subscribers. Just 2 subscribers shy away from the 25 goal mark. So yeah, please help me reach the 25 subscribers count there. And yeah, just do all those good stuff, man. I really appreciate it. So now let's just jump straight into the breakdown. I want to make this video very short, so yeah, I apologize if I'm going to take a lot of time. So as you guys could see somewhere right around there, right, we all can see that this consolidation, remember, price gave us that big bullish momentum somewhere right around here, right? Gave us that big bullish momentum. Now what happens? Like we saw like a small little consolidation somewhere right around here. As you guys could see, this big consolidation area here. Let me draw it out for you. This big consolidation here, it's a sign that the buyers, they're losing power, right? Remember, they gave us this bullish upwards here, then it was a small little consolidation going upwards. So it means the buyers here, for the buyers, they're now out of power, and it's time for what? For the sellers. So in other words, impulse consolidation, then what? When you get that bigger downward momentum somewhere right around here. Also, which confirmation did I see? So this was a 1, then this was 2, now this was a what? The 3 touch pump. And in other words, this was a Monday somewhere right around here, and this was a Tuesday. So in other words, that we as I said before, that Monday and Tuesday, most of the time we are timing for that higher, what can I say, I was saying that we are timing for that higher time we are timing for that higher market structure of the week. In other words, high of the week. So Monday and Tuesday, you are most likely to look for that high of the week, right? Then on Wednesday and Thursday, kind of looking for like a low of the week. Then probably end of Thursday and Friday, you're kind of looking for that small little consolidation to end the week. So as you guys would see, that somewhere right around here was Monday, and there was around Tuesday. So this bullish momentum came from around Friday, and Friday, as you guys could as I could say. So somewhere right around here, for me, it was kind of like around Tuesday. Around Wednesday, when I entered this trade with my stop loss just underneath there, and my take profit was downwards here. So why did I enter it here? As you guys will see, this was what? This was a 4-hour respected downtrend. So in other words, what I'm trying to say is that I've taught you guys about downtrends. So at the top there was an area that was respected. Here it was respected also, right? Then this area ended up being respected. So now if you go to the 4-hour, let me show you guys in the 4-hour. Just give me some time. Let me go in the 4-hour. Right, see this area somewhere right around here. This area was respected. This area was respected again, and this area, what? I knew that this area is going to be respected. Remember, price pulled up, then buyers kind of grow tired, so we ended up seeing that big consolidation. After the consolidation, what are we going to see? We're going to see that sink downward we're going to see that downward momentum to down. We're going to see that downward momentum after a consolidation. Sorry about all that. Yeah. So let's just jump straight into it. So if you go back in the 1 hour, right? Let me go back in the 1 hour and identify our trade. Okay, if you go back in the 1 hour time frame, this is why I ended up taking the trade. Very simple. Now, if you take your trend line again, and if you touch this daily time frame 1 and this one 2, what are you going to get? You're going to get that 2 touch pump that I told you about. Remember, if you didn't see it, I'll leave the links down in the description for the full course, or I'll actually leave a pop-up for the full course, so you can go and learn the whole strategy. It's absolutely free. Half of it is free, then the other half, obviously, you gotta pay for it. But yeah, so yeah, as I said, big consolidation. Then we ended up taking a trade somewhere right around here, with the take profit somewhere right around here. So this was a risk to reward ratio was a 3.5, 1:3.5. Very simple. Then we go on to over this one. This one very simple again. What do we see? Bullish momentum. After that bullish momentum, consolidation. This is an 1 hour Passover station, and this now became a new what? A new 1 hour Passover station. In other words, we're going to get that consolidation, right? And since we got that small little consolidation, what are we seeing? We're seeing at the top there, there's what? There's that 2 touch pump at the top there. And at the bottom here, what are you going to see? You're going to see another what? Another 2 touch pump. Another 3 touch pump. So if you touch here, right, 1, then this is 2, then what? A break. Now at the top there, what do you see? 1, then what? Then 2. Remember, if you have questions, for those that bought the course, we can book a Zoom one-on-one. I'll tell you all the things that you want to know, like, if you have any questions and so forth. But yeah, as I was saying, so this was 1 and 2, that right, and at the bottom there, what do you see? 1, 2, then 3. Not here, right? Not here. Some of you are going to say, why not here? But yeah, I'll leave, as I said, go to the course and listen to what I have to say, the free version of it on YouTube. So as I said, here was 1, then the here again was 2, then another what? Another break of structure. So now 3 touch pump. Very simple. Now we ended up getting the trade somewhere right around there. Very simple market structure. And yeah, this one is a bonus one. Very simple. I actually took this trade, but as I said, I will show you guys later on throughout the video. So as I was saying, this was a consolidation, right? Consolidation. After consolidation, what do we see? Price touch that area. Now after it touch that area, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, right? If you go to the 4-hour time frame, then as you guys could see, that this was a small little consolidation. So afterwards, what are we going to see? We're going to see that what? Like break out of that whole structure. Let me see if I can show you guys the word. Yes, guys, I'm back. So as I said, I wanted to show you guys the CADJPY trade that I took. So this was one. I took all of this. Remember, as I said, it's a small account, so I'm trying to grow it as fast as possible. So 0.05, right, and 0.01, 0.03. As you guys will see the date and time, you can pause and check it for yourself. So yeah, this was the trade somewhere around here. Sorry, consolidation, right? After consolidation, if you check on the 1 hour time frame, what are we seeing? Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so if you check on the 1 hour time frame, what are we seeing? As I said before, consolidation. After consolidation, what do we get? If we broke that area, so it means we're expecting a what? We broke this area. For those that are not seeing it, broke this area. So after we broke it here, what are we expecting? A pullback. After a pullback, then we what? Then you're going to get that bullish momentum. So this trade alone ended up giving me around $20. As I say, I'm not trying to show the whole account. As I said before, I'm trying to grow it as fast as possible, and I'll show you guys once all the things are in place. So this was $11 plus 2 plus 6. You guys can do the calculation. I think it's around $20. So yeah, again, this was the trade. Very simple, very like I don't even know what you guys want me to explain to you in context and detailing, but for me it's just market structure. I analyze and take my trade based on market structure. So I analyze from the weekly, daily, 4-hour, then most of my entries are somewhere around 1 hour time frame. So yeah, as I said, hope you guys enjoyed this little breakdown video. And just for your own little information is that the VIP will be returning next week. So starting from next week, the VIP is returning. But if you want to book now, I'll leave the link in the description for you to actually view the information of what will be offered in the VIP. And also this week I'm just focusing on educational content in the VIP. So for those that have major problems with the strategy, I'll also be putting down videos for you guys in the VIP channel, so you guys can go through all of them, write some notes, and yeah. And as I said, also in the VIP, the only thing that I'll be doing from now on is that I'll be providing you guys with content. Those that are still struggling with maybe some questions that you guys want answered, I'll make a video on those. And also the trades that I take, like I won't be just sending many signals from now on. I'll say per week I'm mostly targeting to take like a minimum of just 4 trades and a maximum of of 6 to 7 trades. Remember, discipline is the way. Discipline equals to freedom, in other words. Some say it. So yeah, minimum of maybe 3 trades, maximum of just 6 trades. Remember, on just focusing on one pair. So without further ado, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. As I said, if you want to join the VIP, the links will be down in the description for you to view the information on the VIP. And I appreciate you guys for just tuning into this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.